Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Swissquote. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Swissquote is a globally regulated, multi-asset Swiss bank and Forex broker that was founded in 1990 and is based in Switzerland. They offer more than 3 million tradable products, including cryptocurrencies, Forex pairs, and a variety of shares, bonds, funds, ETFs, and derivatives that you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, as well as the Swissquote proprietary platforms. By trading with Swissquote, you can enjoy low-cost, commission-free trading with tight spreads, and professional traders will have customized spreads based on their trading volumes. Swissquote also offers an automated asset manager and robo-advisor that will help you manage your risks and execute your trading strategies with confidence. Swissquote offers a user-friendly website, and all the information you need can be found by navigating the menu bar. If you are interested in trading Forex and CFDs, simply click on that tab, and you can view the accounts, pricing, platforms, and plugins on offer for those instruments. Alternatively, if you will be trading cryptocurrencies, simply click on the Crypto Assets tab to view the pricing, products, and resources offered for cryptocurrencies. You can also click on the Robo-Advisory tab to learn more about automating your trades. And if you click on Markets and Quotes, you can view detailed contract specifications for all the instruments offered. Plenty of information can be found on the homepage about the platforms and instruments they offer, and you will find more options at the very bottom of the homepage if you would like to know more about their referral program, or if you are looking for important documents. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with Swissquote, either click on the Trading tab to view all the instruments offered, or simply click on Forex and CFDs or crypto assets for more details on the Forex pairs and CFDs that you can trade with them, and their cryptocurrencies offered. Swissquote currently offers more than 130 commission-free currency pairs, metals, and CFDs on indices, commodities, and bonds from over 50 international markets, and there are millions of instruments offered as a whole. The Swissquote customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can contact them directly via email, live chat, or telephonically. To view their contact details, all you would need to do is click on the Support tab. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section to view detailed answers to some of the most commonly asked questions. Swissquote does not offer a deposit or welcome bonus. However, for every friend you refer, you will both receive trading credit of 100 Swiss francs. Swissquote's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, as well as the proprietary Swissquote trading application, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world today. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and they can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution: basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and so much more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization. the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, the ability to hedge your positions, one-click trading, algorithmic trading, and so much more. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Swissquote also offers a proprietary trading platform called Advanced Trader. This platform comes with more than 50 built-in charting tools, over 80 technical indicators, and advanced charting functions. Advanced Trader also has unique order types that will allow you to manage your trades in ways that no other broker can, and you can create personalized watch lists for your favorite instruments. The Swissquote platforms come with a variety of widgets, and their exclusive analysis tool suite can be used to easily identify and analyze market trends in real time, find securities matching specific criteria, and set up custom alerts for the instruments you like trading. They also offer intuitive technical analysis tools for monitoring historical and intraday price trends, comparing instruments, and analyzing charts. You can also set up custom alerts for market news, as well as news on instruments and companies, and even get notified when the prices of your favorite instruments change. The Swissquote e-trading platform comes with a variety of widgets, a trend radar, daily securities analysis, an integrated watch list, as well as tools to monitor your instruments. With this application, you can customize your workspace, and you will always have access to updated financial news. The Swissquote mobile application can be downloaded for free from the Swissquote official website, and it can also be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. In addition to being a beginner-friendly application with plenty of advanced features, you can also connect the mobile application to your smart TV or even your Apple Watch, and you have an additional layer of account security and risk protection with Swissquote's Level 3 mobile application function. Swissquote also offers a mobile application that you can even link to Tesla vehicles to ensure that you never miss another trading opportunity. Swissquote offers a total of 6 accounts, including swap-free accounts and demo accounts. There are 4 types of live trading accounts, and 3 of those accounts can be used to trade Forex without paying any commission fees. All the accounts allow trades to be leveraged by up to 100 times. However, the professional account allows for customized leverage levels. The minimum deposit required to trade with Swissquote starts from $1,000 on the standard account and $50,000 on the Prime account. For professional clients, the spreads and minimum deposits required will depend on their trading volumes, so that the more you trade, the better your trading conditions will be. We recommend the standard account for beginners to intermediate traders, but if it is your first time ever trading, then we would recommend opening a demo account first, so that you can learn the basics of trading and practice in a risk-free market environment using virtual currencies. When you use a demo account, it'll be just like using a real account. However, you do not need to risk losing any money until you are ready to make your first deposit. Muslim clients have the option of opening an Islamic swap-free account. These accounts are very similar to standard trading accounts, except that no rollover fees are charged on positions that are held open overnight. Creating an account with Swissquote may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can open an account with a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the Swissquote homepage, or click on the Forex and CFDs tab, and select the pricing option to view their account types. And once you've chosen a preferred account, you can open that account. simply click on the Open Your Account button. Next, you'll want to complete the online application form. Then verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified, you can log in to the client portal. And once your account is set up and approved, you can fund your account and simply start trading. After your account is set up and ready, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Swissquote. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a variety of helpful educational resources online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. If you are new to trading, we would recommend opening a demo account and heading over to the Swissquote Education Center, where more than 30 online courses are offered and dozens of in-depth ebooks are provided to help you learn the basics of trading. You can also watch webinars for exclusive insights from expert traders. And if you come across any unfamiliar terms, then all you would need to do is check out the trading glossary provided. Once you understand the basics of trading and using the tools and platforms, you'll need access to market news, analysis reports, and other helpful resources to help you make more informed trading decisions. If you click on the Forex and CFDs tab and select the Resources option, you can check out Swissquote's Market Analysis section for news on major economic events and theme-based trading insights. You will also find several different video tutorials under the Trading section of the menu bar, and you can use these tutorials to set up your account and learn how to use the Swissquote trading platform. Additionally, Swissquote gives their clients access to Auto Chartist, MetaTrader Master Edition, and Trading Central. Auto Chartist is free for Swissquote clients, and this platform can be used to set automated trading alerts, and it comes with market scanners and plugins for regular chart patterns, Fibonacci patterns, and key levels, which takes your technical analysis to a whole new level. The MetaTrader Master Edition plugin comes with additional indicators and trading tools, and is also free for Swissquote clients. If you are trading several instruments at the same time, the MetaTrader Correlation Matrix will show you which instruments have a strong or weak correlation, which will help you manage your portfolio more effectively, while mitigating trading risks. This MetaTrader plugin is also a great option for scalpers, because the stealth order function lets you close all your positions at the same time with just one click. Trading on MetaTrader 4 and 5 also has never been easier with the Trading Central plugin, which lets you build strategies directly from within the MetaTrader platforms. With Trading Central, you will also receive daily reports from trading experts and analysts, so all you have to do is make a decision instead of doing all the research. Trading Central has 3 main intuitive indicators that scan the markets 24 hours a day and will help you identify important changes in supply and demand lines. If you're a short-term trader, the Adaptive Divergence Coverance Indicator will provide you with technical signals so that you can time your trades strategically. Overall, Swissquote is one of the most trusted and most regulated brokers globally. They offer plenty of advanced trading tools and platform features for professional traders, along with customizable leverage levels and spreads that get better the more you trade. However, Swissquote is also a great option for beginners who are just looking for a broker they can trust that provides educational resources as well as demo accounts. If you are interested, be sure to open your Swissquote account today to trade over 3 million instruments, and don't forget to bring a friend along with you so you can both claim your referral rewards. And that is our overview of Swissquote. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.